In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely uninstall Brave browser on Windows and remove leftover files. By the end, you'll have Brave fully removed, along with any lingering folders that can take up space or cause issues with a reinstall. Let's start by opening the Windows uninstall settings. Click the search bar on your taskbar, type Add or Remove Programs, and open it. This takes you straight to the Apps settings where you can see everything installed on your PC. Give the list a moment to load, then scroll or use the search box in that window to find Brave. Click on Brave, choose Uninstall, and confirm. When the prompt appears, check the box to delete associated browsing data, then click Uninstall again. This removes your cache, history, and profiles. If you want to keep bookmarks or passwords for later, make sure you've exported them before you uninstall. Now, for a thorough cleanup, let's remove leftover folders. This part is optional, but it's a good idea if you want a fresh slate or you're troubleshooting. First, make sure Brave is completely closed. Open File Explorer and navigate to C/Program Files, x86, Brave software. If that folder exists, delete it. If you don't see it there, check CVoy Program Files and Brave software and delete that folder instead. Depending on your system, only one of these locations may exist. If Windows asks for permission, approve the action. Next, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %local app data % and press Enter. This opens your local app data folder. Look for a folder named Brave Software and delete it. If you don't see it, it may already be gone, which is fine. While you're here, also check the app data folders commonly used by applications. In File Explorer, navigate to C/users/your user/app data local and C/users your user/app data whilst roaming, and delete any Brave software folder you find there. If the app data folder isn't visible, it's just hidden by default. In File Explorer, use the View options to show hidden items so you can access it. Removing these folders clears out old profiles, settings, and caches that the standard uninstaller can leave behind. That's it. You've uninstalled Brave and removed leftover data. If your goal is to reinstall Brave cleanly, you can now download the latest installer and set it up without old settings interfering. If you were simply freeing up space or troubleshooting, you should be all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get a clean uninstall.